guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the brand new Styletone, wow, I can't even speak, Styletone box, Styletone Talks, I don't even know what the hell was that. Anyway, I already took the liberty of opening the box because my address is here and ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so we got the little booklet right here, very beachy, vacation-y vibes. Stars can't shine without a little darkness. Oh, that sounds very, you know. Styletone, written in the stars. Oh, this is actually sky? Wow. I'm an idiot. I seriously thought that this was, you know, like a beach setting, like a sunset on a beach, and just now I'm realizing it's sky. Idiot. Anyway, we got a satchel with a lot of stuff in here, and we also got one product loose. So let's start with this product, shall we? Let me look it up in the booklet so that I know. It's not this, it's not this. Now I'm already seeing all the damn products. Okay, May Beauty translucent powder. Okay. However, it looks, I'm looking for a, doesn't have a name. This is what it looks like, and I kind of don't want to get it out of the seal if it's too dark, because I clearly won't be able to use it, because it looks quite dark, actually. Oh my god, if I open this, I swear to god, I just did. If it's too dark, I'm gonna be so upset, because I only see like one thing in the booklet, so I don't see like that we could get different colors. Yeah, this is going to be, oh, I can still give it away actually, because it's sealed. It is actually sealed on the inside. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, so of course I'm not going to touch it. But that is way too dark for my skin tone. Wow. I really can't speak today. Yeah, like I said, way too dark for my skin tone, because over here it's actually more of a banana powdery color, like a yellow color, when in real life this is very dark. Let's see what they say. This clearly is a full size because everything in the Styletone, there we go, box is a full size. The price is 22 euros and 48 cents. Like, what the hell? I'm just looking. It says right here, the translucent powder matches every skin color, so everybody can use it. This does not match my skin color whatsoever. This is way darker than my skin tone. What the hell? Okay. I don't know. Maybe I just have to test this out. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, now let's move on to the little satchel and rip it apart, and y'all know what I'm going to be doing for the next 2 hours. Okay, so let's grab this big of a thing, which is a morning goggle eye mask. Brighten and protect, made with silver, caffeine, algae complex, pumpkin, and pomegranate. Those are some weird ass ingredients to combine. Anyway, this is what that product looks like. Wow, what is wrong with me today? I cannot pronunciate anything. Anyway, this is what the mask looks like, and hopefully you guys are able to see that over here. It's like the Zorro mask thing for over the eyes. Okay, let's check out the booklet. Oh, it's right here. Vitamasks. Oh, it's from Vitamasks. Oh, didn't even notice. So it's from Vitamasks, and the worth is 6 euros and 97 cents. Okay, let me get the next item out of the satchel, which is matte bronzing powder. I'm gonna assume from BB Cosmetics. This is what that sucker looks like, and it's not sealed, so I can open it up. Oh, this is what that sucker looks like. Yes, it's got a foil over it, and over here it's got a little puff, which I never use that with bronzing powder. That's just weird. Let me just check whether or not this would match my skin tone. I think it's a little bit too dark for me. I'll have to see. Is there a color? No, No, it doesn't say that there's a color. So let me just check the booklet if we could get like various colors or not. Here, BB Cosmetics Matte Bronzer. The worth is 21 euros and 75 cents. And it says over here again that this color is pretty much going to suit every skin tone, but of course it's not, because deeper skin tones will never benefit from this kind of product because this is way too light for their skin. And white as hell skin tone colors like mine, like ghosts, like me, I think this is too dark, but again, I'll just have to give it a try and see. Okay, we got, I believe, 2 more items. Yes, and then the little satchel is empty. So the first item, I actually saw it was number 1 in the booklet, and that is a nail polish from NC LA Los Angeles in the color Taurus. So I'm assuming that these are all zodiac signs. Yeah, zodiac. So I'm assuming this is going to be a zodiac collection. This is what that looks like. Very, very baby pink. Yeah, see? Yeah, zodiac collection. Oh, it would have been so freaking awesome if the Styletone box contributed to everybody's zodiac sign. That would have been so freaking good, because they have our date of birth, because I know you have to fill that in when you subscribe online. And I'm an Aquarius, and I would have loved, Aquarius is like this first blue, kind of a blue greenish kind of color, like a turquoise, I guess, kind of color. That would have been so freaking good. But I got Taurus instead, which is the lightest, like Barbie pink out there, but I'm still happy with it. Anyway, from NCLA Beauty, like I said, and the nail polish, the horoscope zodiac sign collection, I guess, per nail polish is 16 euros and 65 cents. Okay, and we're going to move down to the last item in here, and as we can see, the box is... It fell. The box is empty. Okay, this is from Peas. Y'all know I have a problem with pronunciation with this particular brand. Anyway, this is the illuminating, not my day today, illuminating makeup base. So this is what that sucker looks like. So clearly a primer. Let's see. Yeah, Peas. Whatever it's called, like, makeup primer is 14 euros 50. And let's see, I don't think it's sealed, is it? Nope, it's not sealed. So let's try out. Oh, wow, that glitters. Like, I just put, hopefully you guys are able to see that, but I just put a dot, a teeny tiny dot over there. And it's already, I can see, like, completely whoa. I did not expect this. Wow, my hands are glittery. Smells really good. Enjoy the smell. Smells very fresh and floral. Yeah, smells very fresh and floral, but it is so soft to the touch. I expected to feel like this, you know, wet. It sounds so stupid. That's what she said. Bad. Anyway, but I expected it to be like wet, like a regular primer, you know, when you... Like a moisturizer, let me put it that way. I expected to feel something like a moisturizer, but this actually felt like a cushion, like feather. So soft, and it's soaked into my skin so fast. Like, holy cow, I cannot wait to play around with that little sucker. Okay, guys, and that is it. The box is empty. What do I think? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. 2 of them, I'm not really sure if I can use or not. Because of the fact that the colors, I'm not really sure if it's going to match, which is, of course, the translucent powder and the bronzing powder. But the rest, clearly, I'm going to use. If I can use those 2, then great, that's a bonus. But I did enjoy this month's box. I think what I enjoyed most is this particular primer right here, because it's just so soft and I cannot wait to play around with it. And it really is illuminating because it does have these specks of glitter in here. So yeah, I just have to play around with it. Okay guys, I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this month's box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!